Meaning of firestarter.
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 Firestarter. Firestarter is a term used to describe someone or something that ignites or starts a fire, either literally or figuratively. When used in reference to a person, it often implies that they have a dynamic personality, are highly motivated, and capable of inspiring others. In the context of events or situations, it suggests that a particular action or incident has led to a significant change or upheaval. Overall, firestarter connotes a sense of energy, passion, and the ability to catalyze change.